Yeah, hi. We are from SVS Embedded. The project title name is an IoT based remote patient health monitoring system on Google Maps. And we are checking the data onto the Android app. So temperature, heartbeat, ECG, and humidity, fall detection, air quality, and gas alert. So patient tracking location, Google Map. Okay, tracking location, then back. So see the full data means sensors parameters value, temperature, heartbeat, ECG, air quality. Here this is air pressure of the room pressure, taxis gas, air quality, and body fault detection and date and time. So let us coming into the block diagram. So here we are using an Arduino Mega 2560. You can use Arduino Uno also. Body fault detection, ADXL335 MEMS accelerometer sensor, pressure sensor, LM35 temperature sensor, humidity sensor, and one alarm, GSM GPRS modem, and one GPS module, air quality MQ135, CO taxis gas MQ9, 16 cross 2 LCD display, RS enabled D4, D5, D6, D7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and one ECG sensor and SpO2 heartbeat monitoring. IoT web page, PHP, MySQLDB, GPRS, SMS alert, email alert, and health monitoring, and these are Google Map location. So here is the Android app. Okay, so we are getting the alerts also, email alerts. So each and every parameter value we are getting the alerts, SMS alert as well as email alert. Primary. So here humidity alert, fall detection alert. Okay, so let us coming into the hardware part. This is reset button. If you are not getting the GPS location, you need to press the reset button. So power supply module, pressure sensor, GSM sim 800L we are using. Okay, so here I am inserting the GSM sim card, Airtel sim card I am using. Okay, and here power supply, you can insert here or here also, that depends on your requirement. Alarm, GPS module, if you are getting 00, press reset button. ECG module, ECG stickers, I am providing extra 6 stickers. MQ135 air quality, MQ9 CO toxic gas sensor, and heartbeat module, humidity sensor, and ADXL335 fall detection, and LM35 temperature sensor. Arduino Mega 2560. So power supply, BMP180 pressure sensor, GPRS modem, alarm, GPS, ECG, air quality, taxis, humidity, heartbeat, LM35, and then here ADXL335 fault detection. Okay. So now I am giving the temperature alert, gas alert, taxis gas alert. Gas alert, it is sending to web link. So I am getting the alert also. now I'm getting the alerts and it is showing the data onto the screen also. Okay, I need to log in. Now I am giving the temperature alert. Temperature 58. Patient patient 1 2 3. Okay, yeah, temperature 58. But as it is, I am getting the SMS alert as well as email alerts, body temperature alert and gas alert. Humidity, I am providing external humidity to humidity sensor. Humidity 52. Weblink. Gas. Here is the pressure sensor. You have to apply the pressure on this sensor. The pressure value should be changed. Temperature, heartbeat 72. ECG means I need to wear the stickers. Okay. Humidity, fall detection. Next we will go for the fall detection. Yeah, fall is yes. And we will see the full data also, each and every parameter data back. So step by step we can see the data onto the screen. And 8 9 10 11 12 13 LCD connection, BMP 180 pressure sensor, GPS, temperature A0, humidity A1, ECG A2, toxis A3, air MQ135, air quality A4, X and Y. Alarm, it is connected to the fourth pin. And I am sending to my mobile number. Next I will add your mobile number. Okay, thanking you. If there is any doubt, let me know to SVS embedded. We can give air quality. Next is temperature alert. Heartbeat means if we continuously give heartbeat 100 and above, then it will give SMS alert, email alert. Thanking you. Temperature, humidity, pressure, gas, air quality, X and Y, and then heartbeat. Fall detection. So here it will come. Yes. Thanking you.